Hello, I'm James with Home Electrician, where we believe that success is a symptom of good relationships. Gonna try and keep this under a minute. Real quick, we had a whole bunch of changes that we covered in another video that we made where we really broke down what we changed. But here's the long and short of it. A client of ours said they had a whole bunch of flickering of equipment and devices in their home, and we came out, we did a troubleshoot on it to start with to just see what we were getting into. They had heard many things. You need to rewire your whole house, you needed that and the other. We came in and we really reduced it down to something simple. It usually is, and that is that the existing meter base, the wires were not correctly put into the meter, and so they were just loose and they were burning up. Basically self-destructed the inside of the meter, which required us to replace it and rerun new wire that wasn't burned or damaged inside the house. There were a few things that came up along the way that were definitely unexpected, but we were able to at least get those things updated, meet the client in the middle on pricing because they were unexpected changes. We don't typically do unexpected changes ever, but since the utility company had already disconnected power, we were kind of in a bind to get everything quickly fixed back up and the utility to come back out quickly to get everything turned on back to the house because they're still living here. We do a lot of work in homes, people are still living in the house, and we have to do these changes quickly, especially in this awesome Texas weather. We're touching down right now, I think at around 100 degrees, 102. So it's a toasty day. But yeah, so anyway, we got this guy fully replaced. We were able to do it inside of their existing siding, reseal it all, resecure and restrap. And on top of all that, while we were there, we also found out that they had incorrectly grounded and bonded this entire house. So we correctly bonded the inside panel, and we correctly added in the cold water bond and the secondary grounding system, which is basically rods with a wire that connects to those rods that are driven into the ground back into the main panel. So there's a little bit of an impromptu day with a whole lot of changes, but the house is safe. The client's happy, super happy that we found these things and fixed them. And yeah, we're all good to go, and we're good.